Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. This is your Devi ma'am, EVS teacher. Yesterday we have completed our chapter and today we will discuss our textual exercise. Come to page number 119. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay, first question. The dash is the form of energy that helps to see the object. Among these two, heat and light, which help us to see the object, it is said to be light energy. Underline the option light. Second one, materials that allow all the light to pass through them, they are called dash materials. So which material? It is called transparent material. Transparent material allows all the light to pass through them. Third one, translucent materials allows the light to pass through them dash. So translucent material, they allow the light to pass through them partially. Underline the option partially. Fourth one, materials that do not allow the light to pass through them or completely block the light, they are called opaque materials. Materials that do not allow the light to pass through them or completely block the light, they are called opaque materials. Fifth one, wood, mirror and brick wall, they are all dash. They are all called opaque materials. They are the examples of opaque material. And then come to page number 121. In that, correct the false statements by changing the underlined word. So the underlined word is wrong. You have to write the correct option. Objects cast a shadow as they able to block the light partially. So partially means it is called translucent material. Okay. Second one, translucent objects, they cast dash shadows. So they cast the faint shadows. Third one, shadows are formed on the dash side of the source of light. Yesterday we have discussed this, right? So it will form on the opposite side of the light. And then fourth one, a shadow only shows the dash of an object. A shadow shows the shape of an object. Fifth one, the closer the source of light, the dash is the shadow form. अगर source का light तो close होता है, the shadow will be bigger. Okay. And then come to the next one. Choose the correct option. In choose the correct option, just I am telling orally, listen this. First question, how does the light travel? Listen students, I have not written the choose here. Orally I am telling. Come to page number 123. In that, see the first one. Choose the correct option. How does the light travel? So light always travels in a straight line. So underline the option C. Second one, materials that allow all the light to pass through them. Which light will allow? It is called transparent material. First option A, transparent material. Third one, the type of objects are able to cast a shadow. Which will able to cast a shadow? Namely the translucent and opaque. दोनों करता है. So option number D. Both B and C. And then fourth one, it needed to cast a shadow. So what is the option given? Translucent or opaque object. Source of light, screen. So सब चाहिए. So it is said to be all of these. Fifth one,
Which of the following is not a characteristic of a shadow? So which is not a character? A. Forms when light falls on the transparent object. Sixth one, when the source of light is close to an opaque object, we get dash. So when the source of light is close, we will get a big shadow. Okay, option number A. Now come to the next one, match the following. So first one, translucent material. Translucent materials means allow the light to pass through them partially. That is option number 4. Second one, transparent material. So allows the light to pass through them completely. That is option number 2 itself. Third one, opaque materials. Opaque materials, they will block the light. Option number 3. Fourth one, shadow formed on the opposite side of source of light. That is option number 1. Okay. Then come to the next page, 124. Give 2 examples. तो transparent material का 2 example. First one, glass. Second one, clear plastic. Then second option, translucent material. इसका 2 option, frosted glass and colored glass. These are all the 2 examples. Third one, opaque materials. So opaque material का 2 example, wood and wall. And the next one, give one word for the following. First one, help us to see the things with our eyes. It is called light. Write the answer, light. Second one, materials that allow all the light to pass through them. It is called transparent material. Third one, materials that allow light to pass through them partially. It is called translucent material. Fourth one, materials that do not allow any light to pass through them. It is called opaque material. Come to page number 119. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay. First question. The dash is the form of energy that helps to see the object. Among these two, heat and light, which help us to see the object, it is said to be light energy. Underline the option light. Second one, materials that allow all the light to pass through them. They are called dash materials. So which material? It is called transparent material. Transparent material allows all the light to pass through them. Third one, translucent materials allows the light to pass through them dash. So translucent material, they allow the light to pass through them partially. Underline the option partially. Fourth one, materials that do not allow the light to pass through them or completely block the light. They are called opaque materials. Fourth one, what is a shadow? A shadow is a dark shape formed when an opaque or translucent object is placed in such a way that it blocks the passage of light. अगर आप opaque और translucent object का बीच में रख दो, what will happen when the source of light is passed through the object? It will blocks the passage of light. So आपको एक dark shape मिलेगा. It is called shadow. Fifth one, what is the relationship between the source of light and the size of the shadow? ये दोनों का मेन रिलेशनशिप क्या है? सो द साइज ऑफ द शैडो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द डिस्टेंस ऑफ सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. ठीक है, सो साइज कैसा होता है? डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिस्टेंस. ऑब्जेक्ट और सोर्स के लाइट के बीच में डिस्टेंस कितना है, दैट विल से द साइज ऑफ द शैडो. सो इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज क्लोजर टू द लाइट, द शैडो विल बी बिगर. ओके, एंड देन सिक्स्थ वन, what is the relationship between the size of a shadow and the distance of the screen on which the shadow is formed? So the shadow gets longer when the screen is moved away. Okay, so shadow कब long होता है? When the screen is moved away. And the long answer, what are all the things required to make a shadow? अगर आपको शैडो बनाने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ चाहिए? फर्स्ट वन, अ सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. सेकेंड, अ ट्रांसलूसेंट और एन ओपैक ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड देन थर्ड वन, सरफेस और ए स्क्रीन टू obtain a shadow. Okay, so these are all the things required to make a shadow. And then second one, राइट द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ शैडो. शैडो का कैरेक्टर क्या है? फर्स्ट वन, द शैडो इज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ द सोर्स ऑफ लाइट. एंड देन सेकेंड वन, ए शैडो इज फॉर्म्ड व्हेन लाइट फॉल्स ऑन एन ओपैक और ट्रांसलूसेंट ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड थर्ड वन, द शैडो डज नॉट डिपेंड ऑन कलर ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, it doesn't depend on the color of an object or color of the light. And then a shadow only shows the shape of an object. It does not give any other further details. Okay, समझ आया? इसके तो 4 पॉइंट्स मैंने लिखा है. The shadow is formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Then the shadow is formed कब form होता है? when the light falls on opaque or translucent objects. And then it do not depend on the color of the objects. Okay, a shadow only shows the shape of an object. It shows only the shape of an object. इसके further details it will not give. And then third question, draw a labeled diagram to explain the formation of shadows. So come to page number 121. It is not 12, right? 121. In activity, can you able to see the diagram? Okay, 3 diagrams are there. Source of light, one doll. Doll का जगह पे आप दूसरा भी लिख सकता है, लेकिन shape should be good. Okay, so this is up to your long answers. And then skill builder questions. See the skill builder question number 1. A lady is wearing a red saree. एक lady तो red saree पहनती है. What would the color of the shadow? Would it be blue or some other color? You know, the shadow will give only the black color, right? It doesn't give any details. समझ आए ना? So what is the color? The color will be black in color. Okay? Always the shadow will be black only. Second one, by keeping your object stationary, draw 3 different shadows by changing the position of your source of light. So इधर एक diagram बनाना है. So what you have to do, a small one that is called source of the light. Middle one,
सेकेंड क्वेश्चन तो देखो, एक डायग्राम दे दी आपको. ए स्मॉल बॉल, इट इज द सोर्स ऑफ द लाइट. मिडिल वन इज कॉल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट एंड लास्ट स्क्रीन इट इज कॉल्ड शैडो. It is called shadow. One diagram is given. Remaining 2 diagrams you have to do. Okay. Third one, would the shadow be affected if a pane of the clean glass is put between the object and the light source? Discuss. So what they are telling, whether shadow will be formed? No. Why? Because the path of the light is block. No, the shadow requires a opaque screen to form. इसको एक screen चाहिए. इसका object है light है लेकिन screen नहीं है. So shadow will not form. It need a screen. Okay.